What's up, guys? I got a little Amazon haul to share with you guys. I bought a new Craftsman product. I bought some of this Crescent stuff. You know, I'm familiar with Crescent name brand. It seems like some of their stuff's become gimmicky, but it seems like, you know, they have good quality. It's just some hit and miss stuff. But if you know you're a smart shopper, you can kind of know what you're getting. You know, you're buying dumb tools, not sophisticated ones that are hard to fuck up. So I have Crescent and I have a Stanley. So Duct Tape Tech has the miner's wrench. And he has a blue point that he uses as a hammer and adjustable wrench. Well, Stanley Fat Max makes this 10-inch adjustable wrench with a hammer on it, pry bar, nail puller. It's called a Demolition Wrench. Now, I actually like the idea. It's something that you could put in a contractor bag, and it covers a lot of tools in a pinch. Would have been cooler to actually buy it without this part if they just made it the wrench with the hammer. I mean, this is a solid adjustable wrench. We got 1 1/4 opening. I think that's 1 1/2. It's solid though. I like it. Like I said, without the bottom part, I think it'd be a little cooler. But yeah, kind of Duct Tape Tech put me on to finding something like this, and that's what I did. Just a different route than he went to show you guys what else is out there. If you're not subscribed to Duct Tape Tech, go subscribe. That guy is the man. Next thing I bought, fucking the most common wire strippers ever, right? Craftsman. I mean, this is just rebranded. Whoever wants to stick their name on it. But to be honest with you, at home here I don't have crimpers, so you know, comes with the crimpers at the bottom. I do like the grips. The grips are comfortable. Never been a fan of this style of strippers with the crimps at the bottom, but I mean, what are these, like alligator nose? I mean, I guess I'm a fan of this type just without this stuff. I just want the teeth at the end. But I'm excited to use it, try it out. First new Craftsman stuff I've gotten. Next up are these hex and Torx keys. SAE, millimeter, and Torx. They're Crescent brand. I'm assuming holy. You know, there we go. Got 1 out, 2 out, 3 out. You know, I like I have some, I forget the name of it, Eklund or whatever, T-handle for plumbing and stuff. But it's always nice to have a good set of these. These seem, you know, they're plasticky and whatnot, but to keep in your truck or a general bag, not a bad deal. I forget what I paid on them, but it definitely wasn't expensive. Like I said, in a cool added bonus, I think you can get this all at Lowe's also. I was just shopping online. Is the Torx, you know. it's kind of nice that it comes with those also, because you never know when there's a Torx involved sometimes. And the last thing I just want to try out, I needed another good 6-in-1. If I get it out. You know, 6-in-1s are something I buy frequently because of two reasons. And I've tried them all. Lennox has a very good one. Lennox is probably the best one I've used, but I don't know. All of mine seem to rust out. Hold on, let me grab my other one here. So, pretty comparable here. This Husky's actually been very good. I think it's like $5 or $6. Has not rusted too bad. This stays in my plumbing bag. You know, you get a little rust down in there, but the bits still go in and out. And this isn't rusted. So, you know, if you're looking for a good 6-in-1, this Taiwanese Husky ain't bad. Crescent actually feels lighter than it looks. I don't know. We'll see. I do like that it has some finger grips here. Like it has some squares. This does to a point on the shaft, but not all the way up here. I don't know, pretty comparable though. This too was not expensive. It's probably under $10, I think. So we'll see how it all works out. I don't know. I'm very excited to use this and all of these. But that's it. Anyways, catch you guys later.